Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So back in the middle of May of this year, I let you know that Chrome for Android is going to be getting Google Gemini. With the update, you'll be able to access the assistant by tapping a new Gemini icon in the browser toolbar. Now, just to let you know that it does seem now that according to LeoPever64 over on X, that the rollout of Gemini for Chrome on Android has started. So I thought I'd just pop this quick video up in case you would be interested. Now, according to LeoPever64 on X, Chrome on Android is starting to show a Gemini shortcut, which appears as part of a redesigned Chrome navigation bar, where the new Gemini button sits between the home and your tab buttons, as we can see in the images provided. Now, at the moment, the new shortcut only appears when Chrome's navigation bar is moved to the bottom, as we can see, rather than its default position at the top. And while the option to invoke Gemini on top of a Chrome tab has existed for some time on Android, users have had to rely on Gemini on their phones, the actual app on their phones. And over and above that, the ability to ask questions was limited to a single web page open on the screen. Now that's all changes, where the new update now addresses those challenges by first embedding Gemini more deeply into Chrome on Android and enabling multiple open tabs for content, just as you can in the Gemini sidebar in Chrome for desktop. So according to these latest developments, it does seem that Gemini is appearing in Chrome on Android and is now becoming more widely available. So I thought I'd just give you guys a quick heads up. Go check your Chrome on Android. Maybe you've already received the Gemini in the browser on Android. I haven't. I have had a look earlier today. Still haven't received it. But I do know that sometimes these new features do get rolled out using a controlled, phased approach. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.